Hey guys, Jeremy here. It's been a while, but I'm back again. Don't mind the heavy breathing and sniffling. I'm getting over the flu, so. Alright, so, got a dilemma here. Had it for a while now. Excuse me. Went on the forums, saw the issue addressed, never really found a definite answer of what causes this, but ordered the B&G S2 sports springs for my 2010 CC. When I put them in, I noticed there was a little bit of noise in the front that wasn't there before. Hell, after a couple days, it started getting worse, and the next couple days kept getting worse until it got to where it's at now. So, when you turn the steering wheel, you hear a lot of noise in the front, like a clunking, popping noise. Now I can hear it, I don't know if you can hear it. I'm trying to put it up here by the strut mounts. Let me back the car out real quick. At least show y'all what I think is causing this. It's the only thing I can really think of, unless I need rubber isolators or whatever, but alright, so they were installed correctly. That's from what B&G said. If you look in there, the bottom coils in the perch, but it looks like 3, but the bottom 4 coils are touching. Now I'm assuming when the wheel turns, the springs turn in 2 and causing those coils to rub, possibly making that noise. Pull the car back in here real quick. And I'm probably wrong, I don't know. I've been told it's that the coils touching and making contact when they turn. That, or I need to get them rubber isolators or whatever, and that they're making noise and the perch, I don't know. Yeah, lube up that damn door hinge. But yeah, any input would be great. Had these on about probably close to a month now. And yeah, like I said, it eventually has gotten to where it's at now. It wasn't always that loud, but now it's getting kind of obnoxious and kind of annoying to drive. But it only does it at low speeds. Turning, for instance, coming out of my driveway or turning onto the road from a dead stop. But yeah, any advice, or if you know what could be causing this and I'm missing something, please let me know. Have some more videos up soon. Appreciate it, y'all.